A pocket-sized gimbal camera that puts pro-grade stability and powerful imaging right in the palm of your hand. Introducing DJI Osmo Pocket 3. With an upgraded 1-inch sensor, any scene becomes effortlessly cinematic. It's perfect for when you want to live in the moment a little longer and savor every second.
It's a good day.
Pocket 3 features an advanced microphone system that gives you immersive sound recording.
It's a time to feel alive.
Be ready wherever inspiration strikes. With a quick and easy flip, get everything in frame. Directly connect a pair of DJI Mic 2s to capture crystal clear audio.
逛街啦，买礼物啦！
Focus more on what you enjoy. With a take it anywhere design, Pocket 3 gives anyone the power to create. Well, almost anyone. It can fast charge from 0 to 80% in just 16 minutes. So you can stay ready for the shots that matter most. Show off your best dance moves with a 3-axis gimbal that keeps your shots stable and ultra smooth. Get unique angles with features like Spin Shot. A new face auto detect feature makes tracking effortless, letting you focus less on the camera and more on her. An additional battery handle ensures you'll have plenty of time to record it all. Even after the sun sets, the creating doesn't stop. Osmo Pocket 3 is made for any moving moment.